welcome back to my channel today. I'm so excited to be back and talking to you guys. For my sweets that's been rocking with me, I appreciate you guys so much. For the newcomers who just subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys stick around for a while. For the people who clicked on this thumbnail, I hope you think about subscribing at the link below. Today, yes, I feel like it's been a while since I talked to you guys. How was Thanksgiving? I hope your Thanksgiving was blissful with no Rona involved. I want to give you guys a clip of what I did on Thanksgiving. Watch this. I'll be right back. Happy Thanksgiving, family. Unfortunately, we can't be together this year, but we should be very thankful for what we have. I'm thankful for all of you that I still fuck with. I'm thankful that we're all still here. We're all still healthy. Some of us still have jobs. I'm thankful for everything that we got. I hope you guys are thankful too. Hopefully I'll see some of you on Zoom later on tonight so we can have some laughs and some fun. Until then, I love you all. Have a beautiful day. Happy Thanksgiving. And of course, them assholes ain't up yet. You know how I roll. So that was my Thanksgiving. It was blissful. Later on that night, we played some games over Zooms and I got to see my glam babies. So that made me super happy. So it's all about, connecting with your family. I hope you guys are all doing well. And so let's get right into this video. Hi guys. Today we are back with some more Kayla's Drip. This is the Lemonade Box Braid Bob Unit. So of course we get a free wig cap. That's the only thing we get for free. And here is our unit. Very short, very cute, well made. Yes, honey, look at that. Something different, you guys. So here is the frontal. Nicely braided. I like the way they got the braids. It looks good. It's very soft. So inside of the cap, you get nothing at the top. So you go a little bit further in and we have the combs. You get 2 of them. Bad placement, if you ask me. Then we got a comb in the back. Then I love that they added the band for extra durability. So let's see what she's looking like. Gonna add her on. I don't know. I was trying to adjust the back. So now that I have her on, yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how I want to lay this on my head because it's the way they got the braids is a little weird. So it's like, which way am I supposed to put it? Side part, back part, middle part? Yeah, I don't know. This looked the best way on my head. I got that net. Got to get that off of there. That's all that is, you guys. But I was trying to figure out how to put it on. This looked the best, so I just kind of kept it like this. Yeah, I don't know. Still trying to figure out how to lay it on my head. It looks a little weird. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Let's turn around and see what we got. Like I said, it's very well braided. The back looks really good. The design that they have looks really pretty. It's just hard to figure out a designated spot to put on your head, if that makes sense. So, we'll figure out. Y'all let me know. All right. right, so you guys know we are here. So we're here with some more Kayless drip, y'all, okay? This is something different. This is a short little cute little bob. They called it the lemonade cornrow bob. It's pretty cute, but come on, let's get into these specs. So, like I said, she is called the Kayless 10-inch lemonade cornrow braided lace front wig. Okay, she's very cute, very cute. I don't know if she's my style, but she's very cute for somebody, okay? It says that she is fully hand braided, and I love the way that they dip these ends. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. The way they did these ends are really good. It's just like you went to the hair salon and got your hair fully braided. I mean, hello, okay? Yes, they did a very good job on the way that they executed the ends and everything, so that's perfect. So this is, of course, the natural black 1B, black, whatever you want to call it. It's 10 inches. It says, what else they have here? Of course, this lace is 13x7 lace frontal area. I mean, you can't really do nothing with it, but, you know, just giving you the specs. And I mean, that's pretty much it. They don't have a lot on here for this wig. It's very cute, very comfortable, and honey, it's very big head friendly. Okay, I got it very tight in the back, but it's like, geesh, it's like, how big do you think somebody's head is gonna be? So definitely big head friendly, sisters. Okay, yes. I will do a side by side right here so you can see the pictures from the website. And just to let you know, Kayless website looks a little different. It looks like one of them fake websites, okay? So you're going to be like, girl, what did you just give me? Trust me, it's their website. I just think they're doing some updating. So it looks a little suspect, okay? So I'm just letting you guys know up front. So if you see here, you see the model, how she has it, and it's, you know, asymmetrical, and it's, you know, both sides are coming together. But I'm telling you, when I put it on, it did not look right. I mean, it looked really wiggy, okay? So that's why I had to shift it a little bit. And I was like, But like I said, honey, it's up to you. If you get the wig, do what you want to do, honey, okay? When you buy the wig, you put it any way that you choose and any way that you want. I'm just letting you know how I have it on my head. And I'm just going to get a little bit closer so you can see the baby hairs. The baby hairs were really long, really pretty, but I cut them down. It's very cute. I don't have any powder. There's no powder in my head, and I don't have it glued down. I just got it just on my head. The combs that were in there, I didn't use. I just used the comb in the back and the band, and it's sitting nice and tight on my head. I did turn around at the beginning, but I will turn around for you guys again. Just so you can see. Like I said, this is something different for me. You guys know from my channel, I do like the longer ones. And so this is very different. I got this wig because my aunt has been getting into wearing wigs, and she always watches my channel, which is a blessing, y'all. And so she's learning how to maneuver these wigs, y'all, okay? And so I saw this style on Kayless website, losing my earpiece, y'all. And I was like, oh, that's cute. And I thought about my aunt, and I was like, okay, I'm going to try it. I said, I'll see if I like it. And it's nothing that, you know, wrong with the wig. I just think that it's not for me. Like I said, this is my own coin, and I tell y'all the truth. The wig is beautiful, executed well, as they always do. I just think the style of the wig is for, you know, a more mature woman, if that makes sense. So this is going to be gifted to my aunt, and I'm going to make sure that I cut these baby hairs off for her, and this is perfect size for her. Either way, it's a beautiful unit, you guys. So let me know if you go pick this little cutie up. I'm going to be wearing this cutie today because I have errands and stuff to run, okay? So I'm going to wear her out, but like I said, so until next time, my sweets, if I don't talk to you before Christmas, I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.